their capabilities, talents, and skills to stand out not only for their own praise and success, but also for the praise and success of their own motherland. And again, a pleasant afternoon, everyone, especially to our respected teachers, our judges, and to our fellow classmates. To the Philippine youth, lift up your radiant crown. This day, you of my native strand, your evolving talent show, resplendently and bright. Fair hope of my motherland, soar high, genius free.
As noble thoughts fill their mind,
The honor of your life. May their burning mind and fly and find
more rapidly than the wind.
Descend with the pleasing light of the arts and sciences to the flame.
O youth,
and break your pride.
the links of the heavy shade,
That your poetic genius taking shape.
See that in the ardent soul.
the Spaniard with shadows strand,
Doth offer a shining crown.
With wise and merciful hand to the son of this Indian land.
And you, who heavenward rise,
on the wings of the rich fantasy,
Now in the sky, the tenderest poesy.
More sweet than divine honey.
and you, with heavenly harmony, on a calm and virtue,
Loved by the divine appellate and the mantle of nature. Dissipate man's sorrows light.
you, at the impulse of your mind, the hard rock animate, and your mind with a great power consign.
Transform into immortal state the pure memory of genius day.
And you, who, with a magic brush,
on the canvas plate captured,
the varied charm of Phoebus,
Loved by the divine appellate and the mantle of nature.
run! For genius sacred flame awaits the artist's crown.
Spreading far and wide the fame throughout the sphere proclaiming. With trumpet the mortal snake, O